Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Okay, welcome back to my class. This is our second session. I'm so happy to welcome you and meet you again in our second topics. Today we are going to talk about demand. What does it mean by demand? In economic growth, we so familiar with the words demand and supply. When the economic process or economic activity happen in current situation, for example, we try to want or need something, need a good or services. So demand is the consumer's desire. If you want or need some good or services, so we'll use a demand. When the demands happen, the supplies will be increased. So there are many factors why supply and demand can be happen in transaction in market. So also there is a law when the regulation happen. Intinya, Ananda mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka, ketika permintaan terjadi pada kegiatan transaksi ekonomi akan membuat kegiatan ekonomi menjadi lebih hidup. Contohnya saja di diskusi kita diajak bagaimana Ananda menanggapi ketika demand, permintaan konsumen terhadap mask and also hand sanitizers mengalami peningkatan. Apakah hal itu terjadi karena kondisi tertentu atau seperti apa? So I invite you to give your ideas, perspective originally. Try to organize your ideas well and don't forget to give the evidence, example, fact, research finding, and also you may read some available resources. So thank you for watching my video, enjoying your class, and do your best. Thank you for today and see you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.